So, you haven't seen this?
No, I haven't. I've been just on my phone the whole time. I'm sorry.
No,
I've been busy.
I think it's better.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Take a deep breath. Okay, ready?
How good does that feel?
And here's the thing, that wasn't even the best one. She's been rocking it, but that wasn't even her best one. Do it again. She was a little nervous because you were watching. Yeah. Hips. You're done. That's today. That's today, dude.
I'm so happy.
So Bella, why is it fun?
It's just like it's so exciting and like a skill that I never thought I'd have.
Do you feel like understanding what you're doing and what's expected of you helps make it fun?
So much fun.
I agree. Now you're rocking it, girl. Like, I can't...
Oh my God. Can I just give you a hug?
You can, but I'm super sweaty.
Thank you.
Of course.